Although they may believe it to their very core, these women have not experienced a miracle, nor have the over 1,172,000 other women just like them who have been suddenly catapulted into a state of shock, awe, pure bliss, and even newfound spiritual connection. However, as you can imagine, it must feel otherworldly, God-ordained, and even divine when everything you thought possible about the female body is turned upside down, when you can barely recognize yourself in the bathroom mirror, when your husband, boyfriend, family, or friends can barely believe their eyes, when your lifelong doctor is left utterly speechless, jaw-dropped, and eternally humbled for life. When you've watched in sheer wonder and disbelief as all of your most troublesome fat deposits rapidly vanish from your hips, buns, belly, underarms, and thighs, and your overall health, energy, mental clarity, sex drive, and focus simultaneously soar to new heights, and you mysteriously appear years younger because every cell in your body has been completely revitalized. Again, although this feels heaven sent to them, this is still no miracle. This is revolutionary, life-changing science at its very best. And in a few moments, you're going to see the seemingly supernatural secret celebrities you know by name are using to feel the phenomenal impact of miracle-like fat loss. Believe it or not, science has now discovered what equates to the holy grail of female fat loss.
Please click on the link below the video to watch the full content. If you are interested.
An amazingly powerful hormone that triggers the female metabolism to automatically melt off unbelievable amounts of unhealthy body fat safely, naturally, and keeps it off. The latest medical research proves this single, solitary, naturally occurring hormone is virtually control of everything we do with female fat loss. It alone determines, more than anything else, whether you are one of those lucky, lean, and slender women, or if you carry around excess, unhealthy body fat, no matter how little you eat or how hard you work out. It's so outlandishly powerful that it alone can turn real, everyday women of all ages, including mothers and grandmothers, into those incredibly lucky, skinny from birth women that can eat all the foods they love without ever gaining weight. It's because of the breakthrough discovery that leading doctors, nutritionists, and weight loss experts all around the world are fittingly referring to this hormone as the female fat-burning hormone. Unfortunately, this fat-incinerating hormone lies virtually dormant in women that struggle with their weight, in women that suffer with a painfully slow metabolism, and in women whose body fat is just completely resistant to diet and exercise. And if you are 10 to 20 pounds overweight or more, and if you can't seem to lose the extra weight no matter how hard you try, or if you feel like your metabolism is slowly betraying you as the years pass by, or even if you've just never, ever been lean and healthy before in your entire life, it's not your fault. It is because evolutionary genetics has archaically disconnected the tremendous power of your female fat-burning hormone. Let me explain. Like so many other wonderful women, your genes for childbearing and child nurturing run strong, but they have also made it agonizingly difficult for you to lose weight and keep it off. Remember, for thousands of years of female evolution, excess body fat has been a valuable asset because it provides a vast supply of stored energy and warmth. The more body fat, the better, back when lifespans were super short, and with planetary and climatary elements posed in daily battle for survival to women and their children. Yet this day and age, similarly to how you do not need or want layers of leg hair to keep warm, or to chew through leaves and roots, you definitely do not want any part of that excess body fat either. Unless, of course, you somehow stumble into a time machine and end up back in the Stone Age, forced to rub sticks together for some warmth after a long day of scavenging for twigs and berries in the snow. Because remember, barring this kind of blast to the ancient past, your excess body fat is doing you tremendous more harm than good. Not only is it a confidence killer, but it is stealing your energy, destroying your health, and increasing your risk of heart disease, stroke, insulin resistance, diabetes, high blood pressure, and cancer, all crippling your quality of life. Which is why I must ethically urge you to take what you're about to learn very seriously, because the science is clear. Your life becomes more at risk every single day you fail to take action. And if you or someone you love or care about is battling health-derailing body fat, what you're about to watch will literally be the most important video you ever see. So, This brings us to the trillion-dollar question. What have the over 1,172,000 real, everyday women done to apply their genetics to fully ignite their female thyroid hormone to experience the fastest, easiest, healthiest, and most sustainable fat loss of their life? What is it exactly that you can do to experience the same kind of incredible life-changing results? Coming up, I'm going to show you the simple secret that over 1.1 billion women across North America are using to dramatically improve their health, skyrocket their metabolisms, flatten their stomachs, and slip into dress sizes they never dreamed possible.
Please click on the link below the video to watch the full content. If you are interested,